Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you start learning on your Coursera app. We're going to figure out this solution on now how you can do that on your Coursera app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on start learning now here. Then it's going to take us in this list here. Then can you just choose here courses. I'm going to click to this course here. So then here can you find this courses here. So and can you download it to your downloads, and here can you start your course in here on your Coursera app. That's all you have to do. So when you just click on it, and it's going to take you here to add this, and can you here pay this enroll here, then it's going to add with you when you click here on start here, then add your card information, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.